So we've covered how to make new video titles as posts. If you'll notice, there's these images here, the featured images, that come up to represent each post. And when we click on them, it takes us to the larger version, which is with the whole description of the post. But there are some of these posts on your old site that have videos. And instead of the image, there's a video at the top. So there's a certain workaround that I've created in WordPress for duplicating this effect and having a video at the top of the page instead of just an image. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm in here in posts, and I have all these that I've already made. So let's make a post for the poetic and the visual. The same way that I did before. Add new. And gather the data. Now what I'm going to do with this one, instead of inserting an image down here, I am going to go up here to the video URL and I'm going to get it on Vimeo. I'm going to copy the address of the video and I'm going to paste it in there under featured video. Now once that's been done, I'm going to update this. But because these plugins are somewhat outdated, and there are updated versions if you want to invest in them. They cost some money, but they would make this workflow a little easier if you wanted to pay for a premium version of one of them. Then you just basically do this kind of thing where you insert the URL and it'll come up automatically. Fortunately for what we're using, the free version of this plugin, and with this website that's more updated, we're going to have to do this workaround. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put the video here. I'm going to go back into this, to Vimeo. Wait for it to load. And then I'm going to click on share. And then I'm going to go down here to embed. And I'm going to select all of that and copy it. Now, I'm going to go into just a notepad document and paste this. We're going to need to edit this code a little bit. So this is the iframe where the video is going to show up, obviously. And first, we've got to edit the width and height. I'm going to do a little bit of CSS. We're going to delete these out. And right after it says iframe, we're going to click, or we're going to type style equals, and we're going to put quotation marks, and inside the quotation marks I'm going to write width semicolon 100% and colon, and height I'm going to have to get the height from the original code that I had here. Whoops, where'd it go? So the height was 360. I'm going to put 640 because we're expanding the size of this. So height will be 640 px for pixels, and then another colon. Now let's see if the rest of the code looks good. Let's take this out where it says P, that's for a paragraph. We're going to delete that. So we just have the iframe code. Then I'm going to copy this. Right now, here I'm in the visual editor, which is basically like WYSIWYG. It's like typing in and copying and pasting things in Word. I'm going to need to go over to the text tab. Where has this little break? I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to paste that iframe here. When I go back to visual, that's where the video is going to show up. There's a couple other things that we need to do for this to show up properly. And one of them is, I'm going to scroll down here. You see this thing called Royal Custom CSS. I'm going to toggle open this box, and then I'm going to click update on this. When I go back to the site, oh, that post is there. I'm going to click on it. And I'm going to need to, if you see it, the image is here and then the video is here. So what I need to do is remove this image, and that's what I'm doing here. So I right click and I go to inspect, and we need to figure out what the section ID is. So this section ID 36-45, I'm going to copy that. What I'm going to need to do is go into the post again, down to Royal Custom CSS, and I'm going to click the hashtag and paste that ID, do a left bracket, return. I'm going to type display semicolon none colon, and then the right bracket. And then I update that. And when I go back in here and reload this page, now we have the video there without the image at the top. So I know this is kind of complicated. Again, you can buy a plugin if you want to just do this kind of automatically, but if you follow the steps in this video, you can place videos in the place of images on WordPress.